Here I have my phone Hammer Energy, and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be, for example, simply the calendar. And let me show you how to take the following screenshot. Let's press together the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for 2 seconds. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together power key and volume down for about 2 seconds. And as you may see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to find the screenshot folder. The quickest way to do it is by using upper bar and by choosing screenshot captured, but you may also accomplish that by using your home screen, tapping apps icon, then find and select the gallery or the photos. So in my case it could be the photos right here. Let's choose the screenshot right here, and now you can share, edit or delete or do whatever you want with the following screenshots. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.